Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my...
Hello and welcome back to another Utah adventure. Today we're visiting Zion National Park, and our first stop after driving through the park will be our Dispersed Camping spot. And we found a spot off of Sheep Bridge Road. There's a bunch of primitive camping spots here. It's just west of Springdale near the little city of Virgin. And I'll have the coordinates in the description box below in case you want to check that out. Here you have to take a shuttle to get to the hikes. You don't have to reserve or get a ticket. You just hop on. And our first day we hiked the Narrows and we rented these water shoes and walking sticks, which definitely came in handy. The rocks are super slippery. I actually fell down twice, but I was okay. It was such a beautiful hike. I loved it. It was my favorite thing in Zion.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.
Oh my gosh, I just noticed these random people and they're waist deep in the water over there.
What are you doing? I'm taking a video.